Welcome back to Spy Garage.
The design of a 2025 Ferrari Mega Motorhome creates a fascinating contrast between the vast comfort of luxury recreational vehicles and the creativity of high-performance automobiles. Although Ferrari's main focus is on high-end sports cars, their entry into the giant motorhome market would require a combination of their engineering expertise, design philosophy, and knowledge of the requirements of luxurious mobile living. Such a car's bodywork would surely have Ferrari's distinctive aerodynamic and visually aggressive stylistic features. Instead of the boxy shapes of traditional RVs, one may imagine a low-slung profile with sweeping lines, integrated spoilers, and possibly even active aerodynamic features from their Formula One or GT programs. Ferrari's signature colors, such Rosso Corsa, Giallo Medina, or Grigio Silverstone, would probably be incorporated into the color scheme along with the brand's well-known attention to paint quality and finish. Large panoramic windows would provide residents with sweeping views while preserving a clean, cohesive external design. Ferrari's dedication to superior performance would be reflected in the engineering beneath the sculpted facade. The chassis would probably favor outstanding handling and ride comfort, possibly integrating cutting-edge suspension technologies with a potent but refined motor, even though pure speed might not be the main goal. It is possible that a modified V12 engine or even a more advanced hybrid system will be used, offering sufficient power for smooth cruising and handling in spite of the vehicle's size. With a comparably strong braking system, stopping power would be assured. The 2025 Ferrari Mega Motorhome's interior would be a haven of custom luxury. Imagine living areas with ergonomic designs, finely finished wood or carbon fiber accents, and upholstery made by hand from Italian leather. A master suite, a gourmet kitchen with top-of-the-line appliances, a sumptuously furnished living room, and possibly even a separate entertainment space would all be included in the design. High-end audio, smart home automation, and a cutting-edge infotainment system would all be effortlessly included. The focus would be on designing a space that combines elegant sophistication with useful comfort for long trips. A Ferrari Mega Motorhome would have a distinctly ultra-niche market positioning, appealing to a limited audience that values the brand's distinction and wants a mobile home that suits their discriminating tastes. It would be a declaration of unmatched exclusivity and elegance in the RV market. The creation of such a car would probably include possibilities for customization, enabling owners to adjust every feature to suit their own tastes. In conclusion, even though it is only a theoretical idea, the 2025 Ferrari Mega Motorhome offers an intriguing illustration of how Ferrari's engineering and design principles may be applied to the production of luxury recreational vehicles. It would be a car that skillfully combines the excitement of Italian performance with the pinnacle of mobile luxury, producing a genuinely one-of-a-kind and ambitious form of transportation.